So when I play around with the cable, it stops for a few minutes and charges, and then it goes right back to acting crazy again. So let's wait a few seconds to see what it does. As you can see, this is an HTC cable, and I get the same problem with, I have 5 different cables that I've tried. I take them, I plug it in, and the only way I can get it to stop is I have to jiggle the port, and it will start charging for a few minutes, and then it'll go back to acting crazy. But of course, I can't record that long of a video to post. But watch this. Let's unplug it, right, and plug it in. There, and it doesn't do it, and it'll stop for a few minutes. I leave it, and I'll go away, and maybe 4 or 5 minutes later, it'll start going boop 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 again, acting crazy. There's something wrong with the port here with the phone where you plug it in at. Thank you.